Welcome aboard the stunning Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a forward-facing ocean view stateroom and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. But before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find coat hooks on one side and a small magnetic button on the door to indicate that you're sleeping in. On the opposite side, you'll find the temperature control unit, which also functions as the lighting control for the entire room. The bathroom offers generous space for an ocean view stateroom. It features a small sink, a backlit mirror, and 2 US plugs. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there is open storage in the corner, under the sink, and 1 drawer for concealed items. The shower features an adjustable shower wand, as well as daily refreshed amenities and a bench for shaving. Outside the bathroom, you'll find a full-length mirror with hidden storage behind it, including the room safe and a Wi-Fi hotspot for fast internet access. Around the corner, there's ample closet storage with full-length hanging space and handy baskets for tucking away those packing cubes. There's also a nearby vanity desk where you'll find the complimentary hairdryer and several outlets including Euro, US, USB, and USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and the mini fridge. All Ocean View categories are equipped with Royal Caribbean's Royal King mattress, which can be set up as pictured or as 2 separate beds depending on your preference. One side of the bed has a US plug and a USB port hidden in the lamp, while the other side has a USB port and some storage. However, there are no outlets on this side. There's also plenty of space under the bed for luggage or larger items. And these forward-facing ocean views also have an additional reading chair set between the bed and the closet area. In front of the bed, there's a large flat panel TV for exploring the ship, watching on-demand movies, or tuning into live TV channels. Below the TV, you'll find a USB and USB-C plugs hidden in more shelving. One thing I wanted to mention with these forward-facing ocean view staterooms is that as long as you're okay with a bit longer walk from the elevator bank, they offer layouts that feel much more spacious than the interior layouts for only a small increase in price, and strike a really good balance of cost savings without sacrificing views and all that natural light. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to meet you all out on the high seas, perhaps having a perfect day on board Royal Caribbean.